This plant holds a secret inside. It holds something hidden that is only revealed to the people who can connect with its energies, and this plant has many hidden secrets. It has many hidden gifts that you will discover in this video. Do you know what this plant is? Put it in the comments. Did you? Now I'll reveal it. We are talking about rue. Rue is a very popular plant in popular wisdom because it dries up in the presence of envious people. The Chinese used rue to neutralize bad thoughts. Celtic magicians said that rue was a defense against spells and evil powers, and was also used to heal the sick, as if it absorbed the sickness there. So this is what everybody believes, but that's not really the story. I will explain to you now what is this phenomenon that makes rue dry. But first, if you are new here, tell me where you are from watching this video, so I can greet you and send you a big kiss. Another thing, if you like our videos and you want to continue receiving our videos, don't forget to comment in the comments, saying I want you to understand better. Each plant works in a frequency. Rue works in the frequency of unfulfilled desires, in the frequency of frustrations. So rue, it devitalizes. When people have many unfulfilled desires, when they are frustrated with life, then it withers. It goes on devitalizing itself, and many times it dies and stays in a place where many people circulate. It tends to die and the rue goes well. It looks beautiful like this one here when people don't have a lot of frustrations and unfulfilled desires. Then it does superbly. Why? What happens, people? The plant always changes in an attempt to balance the environment where it is, the humans, the animals, other plants, in short, the life that is in that place. It will always try to balance and leave the positive and negative particles equal so that there is neutrality. So that there is balance. If there are too many negative particles in the environment, it is going to absorb, and absorbing these negative particles, it will devitalize and may end up dying. This works with all plants. As I said, each plant acts at a different frequency. So, for example, did you know that the asafrole acts in the frequency of truth? So, when the person lies a lot, he goes against the truth and the asafrole becomes devitalized. Basil, for example. It works with mental energy. If the person is very depleted, if he is out of mental energy, the basil will devitalize. The mallow, for example, works in the frequency of decisions. Near indecisive people, it doesn't go so well, and the rue is the question of unfulfilled desires and frustrations. So it doesn't mean that the person is envious of you, but it means that he hasn't yet managed to realize his projects. Then you can say, you are crazy. There you go, saying that plants have power. There you go, saying that the plant absorbs energies. That's exactly it, folks. Comment below if you believe this or not. Leave your opinion here. Okay. Rue is a millennially used magical and mystical plant, capable of driving away spirits and negative energies, used in Brazil to treat children with broken or evil eyes. A plant that really has a strong aroma. Some people believe that this smell is unpleasant. I particularly like the smell of rue. I really like it. It is used to energetically infect environments. Many people believe that rue can't be used as medicine, but in the right way it can also be used as medicine. Today's video was to talk about the energies of rue, and if you want me to show you how to make rue tea, talk about the properties, talk about the health benefits that are incredible. If you want, put it in the comments. I want the recipe for this tea, and I'm done here. Leave your join ha. Put in the comments your opinion about the energies of plants, and I'll see you in the next video. A big kiss and stay with God.